musical version of Sweet Bird of Youth? Who are they kidding?
Thank God you wanted to leave.
Taxi!
Madeline Ashton. Talk about waking the dead.
I gotta get a drink.
It's just awful.
What do I see? That's the question I'm most afraid of. One that asks me what I'm really made of. What do I see? Much more than a reflection, a romance with sheer perfection. I see me, actress, woman, star and lover, sister, sweetheart, slave and mother. I see me, and I like what I see. Virgin, temptress, dream of others. Yes, it's me. Yes, it's me.
We see you.
You mean me?
Idol, goddess, shameless, hussy, diva, princess, lewd and lusty.
She's sensational.
That's not me. Can't be me.
Angel, devil,
You can trust me, mon ami. I see. Everywhere I look, baby, all I see is.
a contradiction,
Come
a
on,
bad addiction,
knock it off.
an inspiration
That's more like
to
it.
a generation.
Now you're
That's
talking.
you.
That's me.
Oh, boy! Woo! Woo!
Wrinkled, wrinkled little star. Hope they never see the scars.
Your guests are here, Miss Ashton. Miss Helen Sharp with a gentleman.
How's she look?
Who?
Helen, you idiot.
I don't know. Smart, I guess. Sort of classy.
Classy, really? Compared to whom?
Clean up the shit.
Mad Hill! I don't believe it.
Well, how are
It's been so
you?
long.
I know.
Don't you dare say how long.
Matt, I'd like
you to meet Dr. Ernest Menville, my fiance.
You were just wonderful.
Ernest
Boy.
Menville, Dr. Ernest Menville, the plastic surgeon?
Yes, you were so terrific.
Well,
Ernest is quite a fan.
I've read all about
dance
you.
number, boy, oh boy, that.
I can't believe I'm meeting
He
you.
never told me he had such a Madeline Ashton thing.
Well, we're both huge fans.
I'm sure he doesn't have a thing. Do you? Well, I'm so happy for you both. Whatever happened to that, writing thing?
Oh, well, I'm still trying.
Oh, Helen, don't be modest. She's a brilliant writer, Mrs. Ashton.
Miss. Tell me, Doctor, do you think that I'm starting to need you? So, have you two set a date?
Yes,
No, actually.
we have.
Now here we see the upper eyelid skin incision is delineated by this crescent drawn from the medial canthus to the lateral orbital margin. There are 2 fat compartments in the upper eyelid, 3 in the lower. Oops. Oh, look at all this bleeding. Be a needle tip coterie. Quickly, please.
Oh, for heaven's sakes, Helen, it was a dinner. A business dinner. The woman wanted my professional opinion.
Ernest, you don't know Madeline the way I do. She wants you. She wants you because you're mine. I've lost men to her before. She just turns on that flash and that glitter and they're gone. That's why I wanted you to meet her before we got married, because I just had to see if you could pass the Madeline Ashton test. Please, please don't fail. I couldn't take it again. I don't know what I'd do.
Do you know how silly you're sounding? Oh, darling. I have absolutely no interest in Madeline Ashton.